Problem 25. In the figure, the area of square WXYZ is 25 square centimeters. The four smaller squares have sides 1 centimeter long, either parallel to or coinciding with the sides of the large square. In triangle ABC, AB equals AC, and when the triangle is folded over side BC, point A coincides with O, the center of square WXYZ. What is the area of triangle ABC? In square centimeters? The choices are 15 quarters, 21 quarters, 27 quarters, 21 halves, and 27 halves. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. BC sits 1 unit in, its length uses the unit squares. Fold sends A to O, so height equals A's dist plus O's dist to BC. Area of the triangle. So the area of triangle ABC is 27 quarters, choice C.